What's up, guys? This is day 18. Today's gonna be very intensive and very interesting day. We need to build one PC, we need to clean it, make everything. We need to shoot everything and put it on sale, everything that I can, even tables, even chair, everything. We need to plan our trip and probably see where would I live, because I'm not gonna be living in the territory of hotel. I'm gonna be like 15 to 30 minutes away. At least we need to take a guess, right? I need to buy some gifts for my mom. Also, I need to meet my old friends, and I need to keep doing every habit that I'm tracking right now. So right now I'm gonna go to my PC, and I also forgot to tell you, got customer for SSD, so probably gonna make a sale today. Let's work with me. Right now I'm going to check any information that I could find about my Turkey trip, the place where I would stay, and everything. All right, let's go. So I finished my research. Right now AI can do for you literally anything. I did nice prompts and I get every info that I needed. I got full list of what I need to buy, what I need to be ready. Every place that I can go, restaurant, gym, even a road to run, and the estimated place where I would live. That's perfect, and actually it's only 20 kilometers away from Bodrum, from a big city, so we can drive to that, or even can stay in our place, whatever. I'm gonna get my working table ready for work, and my SSD ready for sale, and gonna contact the customer. Let's keep grinding, guys. Guys, you need to see what I built. 3 cases tower. That's how I will film everything. But look, like it should be fine. There's a bottle and boom. It should be something like that. I just don't have any equipment to use to film, so we need to build a 3 case tower for that. Yeah, I'm short on time, so let's start immediately. I told you it's gonna work. It is working. So let's go. All right, right now it's definitely. Hello again, attempt number 3. Let's start working. Heavy. And we can say officially this PC is done by building. Now we need to download Windows, download drivers and everything, and it's ready to go. Let's do that. Let me show you the final results of our work today. Come here. This is our build. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Overall, I think we did a great job today, and it was pretty interesting day. Of course, I didn't finish something, but thanks God tomorrow will be one more weekend. We can finish every task that I didn't complete today. This was day 18 of my journey. Thank you for being with me as always. Thank you for your support. See you tomorrow.